Your available credit on Capital One may not be updating due to a technical glitch, which can cause delays or errors in the payment processing system. If this occurs, it's best to wait for the issue to be resolved. But if it persists, assistance can be obtained by calling 1-877-383-4802. Another reason for the available balance not updating could be pending payments, as phone pending transactions require time to clear and won't immediately reflect on your available credit. Waiting it out may resolve the issue, but if it's taking too long, contacting the merchant to cancel the transaction in favor of another payment method may be necessary. Additionally, changes in credit limits, which are regularly reviewed by Capital One, can also cause updates to take some time to reflect in your account. Before seeking assistance, it's a good idea to check if the change has been communicated and allow some time for the update to take effect. If assistance is still needed, support can be reached through the mobile app's chat function or by calling 1-877-383-4802.